This is my newly acquired 18 amp rectifier regulator for a Honda. It's not a true Honda product, it's an aftermarket one. Price was about $40 Canadian. I'm going to try it out with the 10 amp charge coils and see if it'll even work. I'm not sure. Time will tell. It has 6 terminals, 5 of which will get connected, and talk to you later. This is the current draw with 2 headlights and taillights on, approximately 7 amps by calculation, maybe 6.5. So I'm just letting it discharge the battery a little bit. I've got the 18 amp regulator hooked up, basically two charge coil wires right there. Ground goes to the black wire, and the white and the other one that's in the middle, it's a green with a black tracer on this particular regulator. I don't think it is in the original Honda, but basically they are hooked together and go to the ignition switch that connects it to the battery. And we're just going to try starting it here. And it's just idle. We've got a slight discharge with the lights on, which rev it up a little bit. Here, and now it's right about 13. And we're slowly dropping back a little bit, which is understandable. And if I turn the lights on, discharge it a little bit. Yeah, I like it. So we'll try this out, see if we still run into an intermittent voltage issue or charging issue, or whether things stay working. Anyhow, thanks for watching.